Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play D2 on guitar. The D2 chord, also known as Dad9, offers a beautiful, open sound that enriches many songs. It's a versatile chord, often used in folk, pop, and rock music to add a touch of brightness. We will cover the precise finger positions and techniques to master this chord. By the end, you will be able to confidently incorporate D2 into your playing, enhancing your musical expression with its distinct character. To form the D2 chord, begin by placing your index finger on the second fret of the G string. Next, position your middle finger on the second fret of the high E string. Ensure your fingers are curved, pressing firmly just behind the frets for clear notes. Strum the strings from the D string downwards, making sure to avoid the low E and A strings. This precise placement ensures a clean, resonant D2 sound. Once you've mastered the basic D2 shape, consider exploring variations. You can try leaving the B string open for a slightly different voicing, adding a fuller, ringing sound. Experiment with various strumming patterns, perhaps a down-down-up-up-down pattern, to find what best suits your musical style. Additionally, using a capo allows you to effortlessly transpose the D2 chord to different keys, expanding its versatility across many songs. For effective learning, dedicate 5 to 10 minutes each day to practicing the D2 chord. Start by playing it slowly, ensuring each note rings out clearly. Then, integrate D2 into simple chord progressions, perhaps moving from G to D2 to C, to build muscle memory and smooth transitions. Focus on maintaining a consistent rhythm and clear articulation. Regular practice will solidify your understanding and allow you to confidently use D2 in your favorite songs.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.